fuss, nobody knows us. Get in the car, lights cut. Staying up all night, order me pad thai, then we go sleep till noon. So me with no makeup.
Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to review these. So these are the all 28 Supreme gloss from Jeffree Star. So we're going to review all of these, and also we are going to attempt to try on, and I'm going to put on all the 28 lip glosses for you guys. Pray for me. See how this looks on the brown skin, and you could decide like if you really like that color, and if you want to go for it, you could actually decide that looking on like how this one looks. And the color that I'm wearing currently is called No Shame, and this is the color Dirty Mauve. Here is how the packaging looks. That's such a pretty packaging. So here is how it looks. Supreme Gloss. Introducing Supreme Gloss, our new sexy full pigment lip gloss that hugs your lips in intense color with a single swipe. The innovative new rose petal shaped applicator is designed to close as it is being pulled out to hold the product inside, so there is no need to re-dip. And available in 28 sultry smooth shades to match any mood in delicious vanilla cupcake scent, and each one retails for $20. Here is the lip gloss. So this is like the rose petal kind of applicator, and it kind of hugs your lips for that matter. So when you apply it, it kind of feels good. This is no gimmick for sure. Like, I really like this kind of rose petal kind of shaped applicator, so you might like that one, so give that one a shot. Dirty Mauve, and this is in the color No Shame. Next we have Top Shelf, so this is the color we are looking at. So here is the swatch. It's more like a chocolate kind of the brown with dark yellow tones. So this is Gemini, and this is the mauve brown. Tea bag, and this is also brown. This is the Improper, and this is a dark mauve. A blood sugar. This looks more like a red kind of color. Light nude with gray undertones. So this is how it looks. This might be too light for the dark or brown skin. This is Everybody Knows, and this is bright red orange. Urethra, and this is white yellow. So this is the swatch. But I feel like this is like too light yellow, and this is how it looks. Blow my candles, and this is peachy light nude. Feel Supreme, and this is neon pink, prettier even in person, and this is one of those like adventurous colors. This is Wifey, and this is a red with blue tones. House Tour soft peach pink nude, a really pretty color, and it's kind of buildable kind of color. This is 714 light coral. Looks pretty. No Apologies, and it's a neon purple blue. More Than Friends, and this is berry pink, and this is one of those colors like everyone can pull it up and still look fabulous. Celebrity Skin, and this is brown nude, like full coverage kind of nude. Blue Balls, and this is neony blue. You might really like this one. if you liked No Apologies, that lavender blue, but the thing is that you might have to redip the applicator multiple times, at least to give the coverage that I'm looking right now. Dominatrix dark brown, and this reminds me of a chocolate cake and all. Watermelon soda, and this is watermelon pink. It gives that pop of color that anyone is looking for, and it's going to look really pretty for the brown or darker undertones. Next up we have Glossed in Paradise, and this is neon turquoise, and you might really like this color. Just like the blue balls and the No Apologies, this has got really better coverage than the other two blues. This is Red Affair, and this is Electric Red. And this is one of those colors like bright blood kind of red, and still looks the bomb. And this is Mannequin Pale Nude. This perfectly matched my skin tone, and it looks like I don't even have lips. Frosting for Dinner Neon Lavender, and this is also full coverage and just one dip. Is almost similar coverage to that of Lost in Paradise, and out of all the blues I like Frosting for Dinner and Lost in Paradise. We have Cookie Dough Fetish Nude with rose tones, and this looks really good for everyday look. Pink Walled, and this is hot pink. Anyone can pull it off and still look fabulous, and this looks really deep bomb. Please Forgive Me, and this is a brick mauve, and this is one of those like mauve kind of color that you could use for everyday go-to look, still give you that full coverage. Weirdo, and this is a black, and that's very extra, and if this is not extra, I don't know what else can be. I know you should know, like, I really like the formula. The gloss is very hydrating, but still it gives the coverage of a lipstick, and it's not dry, and it's more like a gloss kind of feeling but with full coverage. This is like the awesome formula that I was actually looking for. So if you're like me, you might really like it, so give it a shot. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much, and be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.